Good evening. What's up, Nana? Huh? Aba. Hey, na me be say was some so na say wo munamuna we chichi wo hu sie. Ana me duru ha na ma fro say me pe wana. Me say Nana ya wo. Ha? Enim kitwa. O fi me ankoi.
Hello? Hello, dear. Hello, good evening. My dear, good evening. Nice to say. Actually, your friend, Missy Finn, I say, my better than about the chair, but me who I say, your beauty, attracting me. I just wanted to talk to you about your frozen. Oh, sweet. What's up, me? Eh? The frozen. Hello.
Abra money to be you. And then we didn't know. On your day.
Ah, unim nana. Oh, madam, make a sound at least. Hear me out. Eh?
Start to get some no few no. Unim nyansa de na also ye. Ne ko na also okọ.
Hey, bra, me nyam kasatie, do you know me? Ah, dear Uncle Samson no. Don't worry.
You know me ne de national anthem. Oh ye hwan. Obiara else do you know me? Pasialize it.
Hello, Memphis, no. Actually, like I was saying, the friend me Missy Finn. Now I feel my babetina neighbor.
What they send one for me and I just send one Memphis.
Hey.
What am no when you know. Na send one for me.
Ah. To say the American, the friend me Missy Finn now. I feel my babetina for and person care far down for if you wouldn't mind. Talk to me, my dear. Because I was a film, Miss Ada, on pay Madame for now. On pay Madame for.
Me kind. Why ya do any so? What do you say, what ferry? Why ya ferry? What faring gas?
Sorry.
And then the room. What's the idea? Sorry. Over 44.
Sorry.
What are you sorry?
Yeah. I hear my yeah. In him way. Got trying.
Oh, for me, catch you just say. And then the over 44. I say. Oh, some per man, I'm telling you.
What for say?
No. Me drew Hano, there be me drew a crame chiano. One female, me say or chin home.
Oh, few where my old shadow so few.
Now, boy, where? What do you have?
What be Papa and son come here? Where Bema fans are coming?
Oh, maybe I told you.
I tell you,
what I saw you on them. Why?
Mumu abetina bonti yede de. Mumu udina bonti yede. That's who left you. Mumu.
Basem. Oh, say, Mrs. Tamutimi had one time we had no Saturday.
Sister, person me chemo. And I must say, Blair, ya choose sister, you know, say. Or see, sister, say, or pursue to Quanqua Bucci. Now, the visa and passport to know bit my day. I am man. Now, why do you sister scout? Why didn't you say? What did you say?
I blunt here. Mrs. Say, where you move? A moment to be touched us over the visa.
A mum to be cut off, Professor. One can public.
Wafano.
Shefo.
Wafano. Dear Mrs. Wafano.
Ah, Obia will buy and chain. What about 2 Wafano? Now, Sanate.
I say one thing. Eh, Nisika free to our fashionable too.
Mrs.
Debbie Bissano, some of Sika Udi Bissano.
Sister, and groom and wafa.
Blah, and coffee. Somebody, Majman so we will be so sa and sa ada na moya sa
no to nepa
na wo ba man moye no akura nu ofe wo no ze nka emu man moye akura no abaifo
I'm saying, if you have
mum Sammy,
DJ Kali,
Masa,
chef, Jimmy,
now,
Jimmy Sam's way up.
Oh, sister, I did mo henka. We mu na timi ba mo asem de. O mu na ebeduru be no mo ton mo se mo abonten no.
Kala, you careful.
Na se me slow bia. O me slow bia. E o me slow ade na be.
Ni to nyame to Jimmy Jagwa, me to nyame, wo me to nyame Jimmy Jagwa. To nyame, te be sesi. Wo me Jagwa. I'm Jagwa. To nyame Jagwa. Kala, wo to blow. Wo to blow.
Nyame fia ni mu. Pati. Nyame fia ni mu.
Me to nyame de me jawa. Bro na ti. Kale. Ya so mu na me ko so mu. Ejire me. Timi wo. Timo swear.
Kale.
Kale, Mr. Kale bo na kunu. Mr. So to blow na hu. Jesus.
Ye wa ko bi o ye fia ni mu. Pe patcho mamra wan. Abaya
DJ Kale.
Mamra. DJ Kale. Me fia ni. DJ Kale.
we no so the mu
Me.
DJ Kale.
Ade se be pa abaya mane. So bolo.
Mam si na wo.
Baji mi ko sia.